Hello everyone, nice to see you again. I am RK. In our previous video, we learned about inheritance. Now we will see what is encapsulation. Encapsulation is nothing but in a class you use methods, variables, and its values. The collection of everything in a class is known as encapsulation. And also, we can hide variables from other classes. Let's create a class demo. Here I am giving the values num equals age and name equals RK and country equals India. Let's define a function def in itself, and we need to assign the values of a variable in self, and self dot num equals num and self dot name equals name, self dot country equals country. In inheritance, we see base class and derived class. Let's use the same method here. So this is the base class. Let's create a derived class demo 1 in parentheses demo. Let's try to get the values from demo class. Print self dot num and print self dot name and print self dot country. Let's create the object c1 equals demo 1. Let's run it. Sorry, I forgot to create method. Let's run it again. Here we got values of num and name, but we doesn't get values of country, because here num is a public variable and name is a protected variable and country is a private variable. If you use single underscore in front of variable, it will be protected, and if you use double underscore, it will be private. So the values of private variables can't be accessed from outside the class. If I ask to print the values within a class, it will be printed. Let's remove the statement here and write new function. Now we need to call c1 dot demo. So let's run it. Here we got the value of country, because now we are asking the value from within the class, but in previous we asked the value from another class. The value of private variables cannot be accessed from outside the class. So that's it guys. If you have any doubts, ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.